it is a lot of hard work, a lot of sweating, a lot of mosquitoes, and a lot of danger. You'll see some of the videos, but this is my mess right now, my pile I'm cleaning up. This is where my winter cabin is going to be. I've cleared this entire area, and that's my camera stand. That's it, man. A 2x4 with the stake in the middle, and I can just shove into the ground. So you got to get creative. Of course, that's not going to stay. 2 days worth of clearing. This is a really nice, I think it's a birch, but it might be an aspen or a poplar tree. This one was huge and had some amazing leaves, slash I've thrown over on the side. This one gave me a bitch of a time, this log. This log that I'm pointing to here behind me was a very dangerous situation, and I'm going to be putting a video on YouTube about that. I ended up using a rope with a fulcrum, and I made a couple cuts. It had a branch cut on the top hanging, and potential for like a death machine and a pendulum action that could have occurred, which never did, but I ended up getting it done this morning. I stopped it last night and safely got it done without dying. And yeah, so that's the result there. And there's my pile. So the cabin will be in this area here. It's hard to tell because the camera's, I think, a bit out of focus. Yep. I'm in the middle of the woods, man. But it's so beautiful in here, man. So beautiful.